Hey everybody, and welcome to the PlantStock channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Jesse, and today I felt that it was quite important that we talk about VRYYF, the very good food company, and what's been going on now in the last couple of days. As we know, they are about to dilute the shares. There's going to be some share dilution. They're going to do some share offerings and what that's going to mean for the company. I'm not going to talk that much about it, but just a bit. And I'm also going to maybe just give kind of a response to one or two YouTubers out there that's been talking smack about my berry company, right? So that's what this video is going to be about. And before we do that, as always, I would appreciate an early thumbs up to help spread the video to more people out there. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that bell button. And if you want to be part of our free Discord channel where we talk about the Very Good Food Company and Beyond Meat, Tattoo Chef, and other plant-based stocks, and also some others like Tesla, Square, and Apple, make sure to take a look in the description if you want to join there. All right, guys, thank you. Now, first of all, let's just take a look at the new ticker symbol here, VGFC, and the NASDAQ is trading down now around 4%. And as we know, it has been a wild ride since Wednesday when it started trading. It's gone down from about 2.6 American dollars, now down to about $1.71. Right now, it's actually down about 5%. And it's to be expected if we consider the news. And it's the same thing with the Canadian version, ticker symbol VRYYF. Now, first of all, folks, I just want to tell you that I'm in the same boat as many of you are. When you bleed, I bleed too. Like many of you know, I'm also invested in this company and I haven't yet sold one share of this company. And it's been a wild ride, like I think many of you know. I bought this stock about a year ago in the Canadian version, and I actually bought around 2.4 Canadian dollars. And like many of you, I saw this stock fly up to around $9 in a short amount of time. And then since January, I've seen a constant decline. And to be honest, this is the first time I see red in my portfolio when it comes to these shares, right? So this is the first time. Now, what was my first reaction when I saw this new idea about the share dilution, that this might actually be happening starting this week, right? Well, to be honest, I was a bit skeptical, I was a bit concerned and a little confused. And one of the reasons is that I didn't understand the details. But when reading up on it a little, and actually after watching a really incredible video that is made by a new YouTuber, Mr. Alpaca here. The guy has 114 subscribers. He's just started out, called Huge Dilution of VGFC Coming. Am I Selling? I seriously recommend that take a look at this video and check his channel out. He hasn't made that many videos yet, but he is starting to make more and more, and he seems very interesting in this company. So take a look at it and maybe subscribe to the channel because he offers a lot of value in my opinion. So again, after watching this video and then reading up on it a little more, I feel better. And guys, again, take a look at the video if you want more information about the actual dilution, right? And also, we actually have some skilled individuals in my free Discord channel who actually understands these processes quite well. So take a look again in the description if you want to be part of that channel. Now, there are plenty of people who might think it is weird that they're doing a share dilution at this point. And even Jeremy offered up 2 scenarios on when it would be okay to do it. If the company is desperate for money or if the stock is flying high. I don't agree with this. There is at least a third option here, and that is rapid growth and expansion. We know that VRYYF is growing very fast, and they are looking to expand in a big way in the US right now. They have several facilities, and as we all know, the Patterson facility is opening up as we speak. When a company is growing and expanding this much, you don't want to stand without money, right? You need that cash flow to make strategic decisions. And just recently, there was a YouTuber who actually published a video about this company, calling it the worst stock ever or the worst company ever, and basically having the worst management team that he had ever seen as of yet. To each his own, I guess, and you have to respect that people have a difference of opinion, right? And there are other people who have been talking some negative things about the management team, especially as of late. Yes, to some extent, Mitchell Scott is quite new to this, but one of his strengths is picking the right team. Take a look at the team here, right? Let's take a look at Ana Silva here, which is the president and director. As we know, she was the former CFO of Daya Foods, which was a gigantic plant-based food industry. And when Daya was ranked as the fastest growing plant-based company in America and successfully sold for $405 million, right? Then we have Kamina Hitkari here, who is the CFO right now. Take a look at what she's been working on, what she's done over the years. She's been serving in top executive positions and contributing to strategic M&A transactions of up to $2.6 billion. Scaling businesses and launching product lines for companies like Aurora Cannabis and HSBC Bank Canada, right? Doesn't sound like a newbie to me. And let's talk about Bill Tolany, as we've talked about, the independent director here. As we know, he has a role when he had senior leadership roles at Amazon and Whole Foods Market, right? And he also took some initiatives here responsible for hundreds of millions of dollars in sales. Now, does that sound like newbies to you when it comes to managing a company? Well, not to me anyways. I must say, I find it really strange when you openly criticize a company without actually talking about the achievements that company and team has actually managed to do in the last year. Facilities that they have started, the enormous potential and production capacity, the popular products that they have, the enormous growth in such a short period of time, more than any other plant-based company so far, but also not discussing the enormous opportunity that the plant-based sector offers in this time and space. And once again, not really taking a look at the team. Yes, from a value perspective, their financials do look scary, and even to me at the moment, I'm carefully optimistic, but more vigilant regarding their financials. And I'll be honest, I don't yet have a full understanding of this whole share offering. And it was obvious, neither did the one trashing the company, right? At the very least, do your due diligence. I mean, yes, it is important to look at the financials. No doubt it is important. But there are other aspects of a business than just looking at the financials, especially when it's a disruptive growth company like this is. With that said, I do understand the argument when it comes to paying influencers to actually promote the stock. I mean, it's just not a good look. Now, I'm still conflicted what I feel about actually paying influencers to actually promote your stock. Even though I understand that it looks bad, I'm still conflicted. But with that said, I still feel that with that money that they have, the money that they have leftovers, I would rather see them promoting their actual product and using the money in more R&D to develop those products even more. Now, that's my personal reflection. Folks, I'm really interested to hear your opinion on this. Let me know down in the comments. But before I wrap this up, I just want to add that if I've learned anything about this share dilution, it is that it seems to be an opportunity, if it goes through, for institutions to start buying in the company. And that's something we really want to see happening long term. And this is something that could have an interesting impact on the stock, which could lead to that we could see this ball start rolling in the right direction again. All right, folks, that was it for today. I truly hope you got a lot of value from today's video. And if you did, make sure to smash that like button and help me out. And if you want to keep getting more information regarding the very good food company, VRYYF, or other plant-based stocks like Tattoo Chef or Beyond Meat or Oatly, to name a few, make sure to subscribe and don't forget that magical bell button, right? And if you want to be part of a free Discord channel where we talk about these companies, take a look in the description and join it. Again, it's for free. And as always, I just want to say thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. And as I think you know, this is not financial advice. These are just my own thoughts and opinions. It's important to do your own due diligence and invest safe. Folks, have a great Monday. Hope to see you soon, and peace out.